Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this makeup look. So this will be part 1, skin. So first of all, I'm starting with Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss and I'm just applying it all over my lips. And then on top, I'm using Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper, and this not only hydrates but also plumps your lips. And now I'm starting with the face and I'm using Chanel Le Weekend de Chanel Serum. And what I really like is that it has glycolic acid complex and also calming rose water, so they deeply exfoliate, hydrate, and also boost luminosity for your skin. And then I'm going with Chanel Le Lift de Chanel eye cream, and I just very carefully dabbing it into my under eye area. And for my moisturizer today, I'm using another Chanel product, and it is Hydra Beauty Gel Cream. And I really like its light gel formula and that it also gives you a lot of hydration for your skin. And as you can see, I even got it into my hair. And for my primer, I'm using also Chanel product, and it is multi-use illuminating base. I really like how it gives you a natural glowing from within skin. So today I used a lot of Chanel products, but this is my favorite to give hydration and also that radiant skin. So for my foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in Toasted Coconut. I really like that it gives you a lot of coverage, and also I'm blending it out with my Beauty Blender Original, and I'm spraying it with Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So because the foundation is really matte foundation and I have normal dry skin, I really like to use this method because it gives you that luminosity, it doesn't dry out your skin, and it also blends out beautifully on your skin. And for my concealer, I'm using today Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Ivory, which is perfect for covering your dark circles. And then I'm blending it out with my Beauty Blender Beauty Blusher. I really like that it is smaller and goes precisely into that under eye area. And after that, I'm taking another Maybelline concealer. This is Fit Me Concealer in a shade 15. And I'm just highlighting my center of the nose, my forehead, my chin. I'm going above my lip. And then I'm going underneath my cheeks. And I'm also adding a little bit where I have the darkness underneath my eyes. And then I'm blending everything with my Beauty Blender Original. So this will add some light to your face and also bright out all those areas before we contour our face. So make sure that you blend out everything perfectly. And to set it up, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I'm just applying it with my beauty blusher to all the areas that we just applied our concealer. And after that, I'm just using Morphe E41 brush, and I'm just sweeping away all of the powder that we just applied. Then I'm taking a little bit more of Too Faced Born This Way setting powder and very lightly setting up my entire face because we finished with all cream products. Now we're moving on into powders, and now I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer, and I'm also applying it with a Morphe E8 brush, which does that perfect precisely contouring. So as you can see, I'm just using a very light hand, and I'm just applying it underneath my cheeks and also going to my hairline and also under my jawline, and don't forget to apply it also to your neck. And after that, I'm baking just underneath my cheekbones to make my contour very precise and stand out. Setting it for a couple of minutes and then using the same E41 brush and just dusting away all of the powders. Now I'm using MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and I'm just spraying my entire face. And now I'm going into blush, and I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radiant, and I'm applying it with a Morphe G35 brush. And because I spray my face beforehand, my blush actually gonna stay longer and not fade out that quickly. Now I'm going into my highlighter, and today I'm using Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in Gold Sands, and I'm applying it with a Morphe M510 brush. So first of all, I'm going with a dry application, and you still can see the beautiful glow. And then I'm spraying my brush, and I'm going with another layer and just applying more to my cheekbones, and then that highlighter just glowing. And I'm also applying my highlighter to the center of my nose, to the tip of my nose, to my cupid bows, and of course I'm gonna glow up and use it on my shoulders and also have that gorgeous glow throughout my entire body and my face. And for my lips today, I'm using again Chanel products. So I'm using Rouge Coco lipstick in Mademoiselle. I really love this shade. It is such a gorgeous color that is perfect for all year round. This lipstick is so creamy, it stays very long time, and I really like this formula. So it looks like I did have kind of a Chanel day today. So I'm just applying a couple of layers, and then just to match with my eyes, I'm adding Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in Mystical because I want to have a little bit of a shift of that purple in my lips as well. So this is gonna add hydration to my lips and more shine and that a hint of a purple to match with my look. So this is my finished look and I really hope that you like it. I will show you how to create this eye makeup in my next tutorial, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!